Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss Wu.
Okay. Notebook ready, right? An English book ready, quickly. This week, we've been learning something about Peter's family, Teng Fei's family, and Yaming's family. And we are talking about somebody's all the time. Tell me, what does that mean? Yeah, 谁谁谁的. So, which grammar is that? 名词所有格. Yeah, this class we are going to find out more information about this part. Okay, now notebook ready and black pen ready. Your red pen as well. Please together after me. Grammar. Grammar. So if we want to form 名词所有格, normally we add s in the end. So how to say 这个男孩的房间? This boy's room. Yes, that's a singular form. Let's take notes like this. What is noun dot dan? What does that mean? Yeah, 单数名词. So this boy is the singular form. Then what about the plural form? For example, 他父母的房间.
His parents'
room. Yes. SP. And sometimes two people share one thing. For example, Tom 和 Jim 的房间. So if two people share one thing, where do we put PS? Yeah, the last part. Then what if they have two different rooms? Tom's and Jim's rooms. Yeah. And then please use your red pen to mark the important parts like this. This is the first kind, and also we can use a preposition to show ownership. Which preposition do you have in your mind? Of. Very good. So that's the second kind. Let's see some examples together. How to say 这个房间的窗户? The window of the room. How to say 这个单元的标题? Then guys, think about one question. When do we use the first kind and when do we use the second one? Yes, please?
当这个所有就是所属这个物品的主人的人是有生命的，那么他就用第一种；如果是无生命的，就用第二种。
Agree? Yeah, let's write that one by using our red pen. That's the first part, 名词所有格. And in this in this unit, we learned a lot of conversations. Think about the conversations we learned. Which tense did we use? Tense, 时态. Which tense did we use? 一般现在时. How to say that in English? Open your books, turn to page 102. Simple present tense. Let's write it down. First Chinese and then English. Together after me. Simple. Present. Tense. Can you give me another word for simple? Easy. Yes, when it's easy, it means 简单的. And here it also means 一般情况下. And present means 现在的. And here present can also be a noun. When it's a noun, it's like gift. Yes, very good. And tense means 时态. Yes, 时态. So now first let's see the structures of simple present tense. Structure means 结构. First, let's see how to form the affirmative sentence, 肯定句. For example, this morning we learned something about Li Xin's mother, right? What does she like? She likes reading. Let's write that example sentence here. So how to form the affirmative sentence? First, we have the
主语
subject and then the verb. And when your subject is she, your verb needs to have the S and then the rest part, right? That's the affirmative sentence. Then what about the negative sentence? She doesn't like reading. So how to form the negative sentence? First we have the subject and
助动词
helping verb. And then The verb, yes, and also the base form of the verb. Very good. And now let's think about the questions. How can we form the question? Does she like reading? So how can we form the question? First, the helping verb. Very good. And then subject and verb. And the base form of the verb. And then the rest, right? Now, let's think about the answers. How to answer this question? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Use your red pen, circle the important parts. So here we use likes because we have the subject she, right? Anything else? He. Ate. They likes. And the names. Yes, for all of them, we use the third person singular, right? Then when do we use like? I, you, we. Okay, write them down, please. And for the negative one should be I don't. Yes. What about the question? Here we start the question with does, and here should be do. Okay, yes. And the answers? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay, quickly, finish your notes. Finished?
Yeah.
So just now we said for the verb, we use the third person singular because we have she, he, it, or the names, right? Here we have the example like. For like, we just add s. But what about the word watch? Watches, we add es. What about the word study? Yeah. Okay, we change that into I and then add es. So what is the rule here? 规则是什么？
如果
Yes.
这些一般的话都是直接加 s， 然后呢用上 s c h x， s h o 加 es， 然后呢辅外结尾是把外改成 i 加 es， 然后呢要是言外结尾的话，那就是直接加 s。
Okay, thank you. I think that's enough. Now let's complete our notes here. In this unit, we also need to know the third person singular. Okay, we need to know how to change the verbs. That's the second part here. 动词单三. And please write the rules by yourself. Now please open your books, turn to page 31. Let's do some practice. Have a look, finish 3B by yourself.